man, this trip to Miami's about to be lit. I can't wait. What? I ain't never seen snow before. Nah, shit, stupid. Bro, it don't even snow over there. Oh, shit. Nah. Alright, sir, you're next. Go ahead and walk through that metal detector for me. All clear, enjoy your flight. Alright, sir, go ahead and walk through that metal detector for me. Oh. Bro, what's in your bag? Why you worried about me? Nah. Alright, sir, go ahead and remove anything that might be a problem and try again, please. Alright, man, we're gonna have to go ahead and check your bag real quick. Dog, you gonna make us miss the flight. Alright, so we just checked the bag and we found 8 automatic weapons and 4 grenades. Oh. Where you guys going? Bro, what you brought grenades for? I ain't trying to get caught lacking. Bro, nobody's looking for you on a plane. Nah, I paid for this flight for no reason. She gonna have to run me my money. That's crazy.
The soft candle glow, the music so slow, your skin on my skin, the room is spinning, nerve on
No, it's Thursday, bro.
Yo, what's up, Spoke? Yo, what's good, bro? It's been a minute.
Harness your hopes on just one person, because you know a harness was only made for one. Don't telegraph your passes, you'll end up with molasses, cauterizing syrup and syrup and molasses. Oh, I could throw you in the lake, I'll feed you poison birthday cake. I won't deny I'm gonna miss you when you're gone. Oh,
It was clear that he was making a sacrifice for someone he cared about. And it was clear to me just from your silence that you just lost someone you cared deeply about. Which means I was successful. I gave you a friend, and where is that friend now? Where is he, Parrot? Where is he? I'm looking around. Where's your telescope? We gotta find him, Parrot. Where is he?
Why do you think I care about fear so much?
I can't do it.
Because fear is control.
How do they know where we are all the time?
Are we just gonna get like continuously hunted?
I want everyone to be afraid of their life every second that they live.
Person to leak it because of everything we've done, but sure, if you still want to do an interview, let's do it.
Bro, get out of my face. You said you threw a pearl into a water.
How they fall into our system for all people's
Does anyone do this role? All of us set outside that one job. And there is no
First you gotta learn, then you remove the L.
Learn.
You on something? Remove L from learn equals earn. Where on earth did you get Larn?
Hey bro, good luck in life. I don't think you're gonna make it far, to be honest.
Stop laughing, bro. Stop laughing.
Wait, screenshot.
Might be the last time we get to sing the theme song on this journey.
Beacon of hope.
Good night to everyone except Logan. Good night to everyone except those who spell their name Logan. No! Good night to everyone except anyone whose name has the 5 letters Logan. Good night.
You left me without a choice, Parrot. From this point on, if either of us steps off, if you try to break a block, the entire chamber blows up with us in it. I told you this prison was perfect, Parrot. I gave you a chance to live freely, and you wouldn't take it. You really have nothing on you? I told you I'd start over. On the same footing as you. No items, nothing. Weefies. Where'd you get that? I tracked your entire inventory, Parrot. How did you get that? Remember when I threw it off the top of the prison? I went back to pick it up after I tried to kill you. I don't know why I kept it. Maybe because it reminded me of like who you used to be. I told you before. I killed that version of me, Parrot. I had to. Cards, please! You know what I realized? I'm not smarter than you. I'm not. This prison? The only reason it's perfect is because of that exact reason. But you know the one difference between us? It's that I never lost hope in you. Every single day, for the past 3 weeks that I was inside of this prison, I thought that at some point, maybe, you'd snap out of it, and you'd realize that what you did was wrong and you'd let us both out. I don't want to do this. I really don't. I don't. You kept on saying that you killed your past self to become who you are today. But both of us know. You will deny it, but both of us know that there's some version of you deep down that wishes that you hadn't done this. That wishes that you hadn't faked your death. And that wishes that you didn't manipulate my friends and kill them. And do all these things to me. And wishes that they could go back. You know that. You're staring at me right now because you know that. Weefies, when I leave this place, when I get out of this prison, just know, even after all that you did, I'm not gonna remember you as a player who did all these horrible things. When people ask me about who Weefies was, I'm gonna remember you as the Weefies that I used to know. The Weefies that cared about other people and was kind to everyone. The Weefies that gave me the spyglass. Please, Parrot. Please. Give that to me before you hurt yourself. It's all yours.
invited a player named Weefies to come and join me, who I didn't know too well, but was arguably the smartest Minecraft player I knew. If I lost Weefies, I would be pretty upset, I can't lie. Gotten the opportunity to say this, but thank you for being my friend.
Anytime, dude.
Cause when I'm with you, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. Why you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your
Born in uniform to carry home that wicked soldier.
Pretty dude should have been a rock star.
But he didn't have the money for a good time.
Pretty dude should have been a politician.
But he never had a proper education.
Pretty dude should have been a father.
But he never even made it to his 20s. What a waste, army dreamers.
As we're holding up your Maypick, let me restart that.
You know I'm cold, but I'm hot, got a fever. You got chips in the cross 2 meter. You got yay, come fluffy like a bunny. Blood on